Coronado goal. Coronado up now. 1-0 over Americas. Coronado in blue. Here in the first half, number 17, Ivan Sanchez. Oh boy, yellow card. Yellow card was against Americas in white. It's in. Second goal for Coronado. Coronado now up 2-0. And that goal looks like it was, let's see, number Jorge Chavez, I believe. Yes. Number 3. In. Goal number 3 for Coronado. This one with Claudio Yillo Perea with that goal. And that's the end of the first half. Coronado leading Americas 3-0 here at the Socorro Activities Center. Americas got one in here in the second half. Americas still trailing. Coronado 3, Americas 1. Uh-oh. Second Americas goal. This game is turning around. Americas now trying to catch up. Coronado 3, Americas 2. Coronado suddenly with a 1-point lead in the second half. In. Okay. Coronado's 4th goal. We're back to a 1-point game here with Coronado now leading by 1 point over Americas after that goal. So the score is now Coronado 4, Americas 3 as we get into the late part of this second half. Americas woke up in this second half. Here they go again. Let's see what happens. Blocked. All right, game over. Americas in white, Coronado in blue. Coronado taking it by 1 point, 4-3 over Americas. Coronado scored 3 goals in the first half, shutting out Americas 3-0 at halftime. But Americas came back in the second half with vengeance, scoring 3 goals and whittling Coronado's lead down to 1. But Coronado takes it 4-3 here at the Socorro Activities Complex.
Gracias.